So this video is a question video, and the question is write rational number for the missing value. So here you can see there's a number line which is given to us, and these are our, let me mark it down, these are our natural numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, or to be more precise, these are our whole numbers. And then in between these whole numbers, we have our rational numbers marked, and some of the rational numbers are given the value and some of them are having question marks, and our job is to fill these missing values with the appropriate rational numbers. Now as you can clearly see, the denominator here for all the rational numbers is 4. Okay, the denominator is 4, which means they are making 4 equal parts between two whole numbers. So between 0 and 1 there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 equal parts. Between 1 and 2 there is 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Same between 2 and 3 there is 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. So just to confirm, just to make ourselves comfortable that what we are thinking and what is represented here on the number line is exactly the same. So thus very clearly we have 4 equal parts between any two whole numbers. Now we have to start filling these numbers. So we know how to fill it. So you have to imagine this as some one chocolate bar. Okay, and this chocolate bar is divided into 4 equal parts to distribute among 4 kids. Okay, so what will be this first part? What will be the value of this first part? It is going to be 1 by 4. So I'm going to write here 1 by 4, and then you have 2 by 4, then you have 3 by 4, and this number 1 is actually 4 by 4. So I'm going to write here 4 by 4. Okay, 4 by 4 is equal to 1, and thus it continues. This is 5 by 4, so this is going to be 6 by 4 and 7 by 4. Let me write it down. This is 6 by 4, this is 7 by 4, and this 2 is going to be 8 by 4. Okay, so 8 by 4 is equal to 2, and then this is going to be, oh, there's a mistake. So this is going to be 9 by 4, and this is going to be 10 by 4, and this is going to be 11 by 4, and this is going to be 12 by 4. Okay, so thus this is how in the previous video, as we have seen, this is how in fact you represent rational numbers on a number line. So these are the missing values which we have filled up with this green color. Now similarly we have another number line here. Okay, the only difference is here we have the negative integers. So first let me circle the integers here. This is our -3, this is our -2, this is our -1, and this is 0. So these are our integer values which are there on the number line, and again in between the number line there have been some marks that they have put. So these are the question marks we have to fill. So first and foremost our job is to find the equal parts done between any two whole numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts have been done between these two whole numbers. Same goes with these two. There are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we have done 5 equal parts between any two whole numbers. And now our job is to start filling them. And we're going to start filling them from 0 towards the left hand side. Okay. So let me zoom in. Yes. So this is going to be, the first one is going to be -1 by 5. And this is going to be -2 by 5. Okay, and thus it continues. This is -3 by 5, -4 by 5, and this one is in fact -5 by 5. So -5 divided by 5 is going to be -1, and we continue. This is -6 by 5. Okay, this is -7 by 5, -8 by 5 is mentioned. This is -9 by 5. Okay, and 2 is -10 by 5. -10 divided by 5 is -2. And we continue further. This is -11 by 5, this is -12 by 5, this is -13 by 5, -14 by 5 is already mentioned, and this is -15 by 5. So -15 by 5 is equal to -3. So thus we have filled up all the missing values for all the question marks. The key point is the number of equal parts that have been made between any two whole numbers. Between any two whole numbers, if there are 5 equal parts, our denominator becomes 5, and then we just start counting from 0 to -1, -1 to -2, -2 to -3. So this is how we have filled out all the missing values with the appropriate rational number.